Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm just gonna do unboxing my lighting kit. Okay, my lighting kit, I just got it today, which is like now. I went to fetch it and then I came back. So this is my new lighting setup. So if you guys like it, please tell me your opinion or your suggestion if you want me to do a better and better on the video. And especially like this lighting, my lighting setup, I'm just gonna tell you guys what is my opinion, my sincere opinion about this lighting kit that I just bought, everything about it, the good and the bad about this lighting. And then we do unboxing. I'm just gonna tell you guys what it I actually bought in one box, so all the kits, the equipment that I got in one box. So if you guys want to watch this video, keep on watching, and we're going to do unboxing lighting kit setup from Andoer. So I think that is how they pronounce it. Okay, Andoer or Andoer. Okay, so keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to do unboxing. This is my new lighting kit. I can't wait to have it actually, and tracking all this lighting, and it's finally it came today. Alright, so if you see this box, this brand is from Andoer. How do you pronounce Andoer? Andoer. Okay, so stuff like that. So this is the box. It's quite heavy, it's quite big actually, so I didn't expect it like this big this box is gonna be. But it brands Andoer is shipped all the way from Germany. Okay, so it just take me around like 5 days to arrive in Belgium, so it's not that long. As you open up this box, you'll see this. Oh my god, this is heavy. The black back, so it comes with a black back. So wow. Alright, so this is first time unboxing, guys, so be mine with me. So you got like huge bag with you for your lighting, for the travel, so if you want to go for travel with lighting. And the next piece is, I think this is, alright, so this is the softbox. So you got the softbox lighting. Oh wow, the quality is actually really good. And what else we got? Alright, so this is the softbox, the cover from the front. I don't know what do you call. And this is the umbrella thing. So the one that I bought is like 3 softbox. So I don't need like the umbrella box. So for me, I prefer softbox. It give you like really nice lighting, soft and smooth. So it's not really harsh light. So I bought the one with the 3 softbox. So this is 3, all of them here. And then so this is the bulb. So okay, so it comes with, alright, so the bulb is actually in the good condition. That is really good, I'm sure. Pack all this stuff is really nice, so it doesn't break. So that's the most important thing. So if I'm not mistaken, the one that I got is like one softbox has like 4 bulbs. So now I got 4 with me. We got 4, the second one, 4, 8 and 12. That's all 12 bulb we got for 3 softbox. So this is the one. So for this, it's very nice because you can adjust it. You can dim it. You can, like you want to make it dark, you want to make it really bright, so you can dim it. So that is the light that I prefer on my video because you're gonna see the result later on. I'm gonna put out everything for you guys, and you're gonna see the huge difference. It has like 4 bulb here, so it's better, it's nicer, and it gives you guys really nice touch as well. This is second one, and this is the third one. Alright, so that is like basically what we got in one box. So we got like 3 stand, and then we got 3 softbox lighting, and then we got all the softbox, we got all the equipments, all the bulbs and everything. This is actually the heaviest thing in this box because it has 3. So this is the stand. Before you can adjust it. Oh my god, this is actually very long stand. This is actually long, like this. Like my hands, you can see like how white my hand is. So okay, so I purchased this and they call AliExpress, very good brand. I think very good website for online shopping, and I think the stuff and everything. I need to check one by one if all the stuff in a good condition and everything is good. Then I can tell you guys what is the result after that. So I'm gonna put on all my lighting setup, everything after this. So you're gonna watch it. Then I'm gonna tell you guys, and I think it's worth or not worth to buy this product, and I'm gonna see you guys later on. Okay, so now I'm going to tell what is my thought about this product. At first, we go all the way from delivery, from order, delivery, and the product itself. Okay, so I ordered this product like couple days ago, and then I received it like after like 5 or 6 days after I ordered this product. So it's not that bad. So they're still doing their great job. They're still doing their best. And this product is imported all the way from Germany to Belgium. So I understand if they're taking a long time. So delivery is not a big deal for me. I totally understand that. When I received this product, the box itself, the packaging, the parcel itself, it's kind of like break it, like, you know, I understand they put in cargo or stuff like that happen, like they throw away, or I don't know what happened to this parcel. It's been a rough day for this parcel. Finally I got it. Alright, so that is about the product and the box itself. So when I opened this box, it packaging very well. The way they packaging, like everything, all the soft box, the stand, everything in the proper way. You know, they have a box, they have a plastic all wrap it around, they have like literally everything, like the foam for the bulbs and everything, so everything is not breaking. So that is the good thing about this website that I purchased. And then when I open it and I'm unboxing, and you can see like the stand, I will say like the stand itself is not really sturdy as what I thought. So it keep wobbling, especially like there's some screws like wobbling, and then the stand is not really sturdy. So if you really want to put like your stand high up to the maximum height, you have to put a weight underneath on the stand. So you have to put like something heavy underneath. So otherwise, if you put the stand like to the maximum height, it will fall, definitely fall. That's what I try. I'm so stressed, and I was like, what the F? You know, like I'm not predict like this product is gonna be like awesome or good. I know it is like affordable products, like 100 euro for 3 softbox is not that expensive. It's good for beginner. It's good for like for those who want to start it like YouTube, and you know, looking for lighting, nice lighting setup. You can have like this kind of softbox. It's not that bad, but the thing is the quality, the stand itself is like very wobbling. It's not sturdy as what I thought. And then I try to put the stand like to the maximum height. I put it down the softbox because I want to have like nice lighting from the top, and it kept falling and falling and falling, and I was like, you know what, I have to do something about it. Then I manage and I do something. So my top lighting is here on this side. Actually, if you can see, there's a line between my shoulder here, so that is my lighting from the top lighting. And the rest of it, like the box, there are two boxes, soft box, I put right from my face, like facing here, so you can see like clear from here, and then one underneath here, like facing underneath my face, like, you know, like at the bottom of my face. So you can get a little bit contrast on this side. If you see, there is a little bit shadow here. But today I'm not gonna tell you guys like my lighting setup or everything. I just gonna tell you guys like what is my opinion about this product, you know, because when I received this product, I has like two bulb which is not working. So I don't know if they don't try it. I think before they send this product, they have to try the bulb one by one. I don't know if it's breaking, if it's like, you know, have a huge impact on this box, and then two bulbs like just gone, you know. So two bulbs not light up, and then the rest, all the fuse is okay, it's fine. It's just the bulb is concern me. And you know, the bulb itself is only 45 watts. So if you, even it's a 4 light, like 4 bulb, it's not as bright as what I want, you know. Like I want like bright, like really bright. So I think I might need to change the bulbs from 45 to maybe 60. I think 60 is the best, like really nice bright lighting, especially the one from the top. So I need to change that to 60 instead of 45. So 45 is not that bright enough for me. I still have to increase my ISO right now. So my ISO right now on the camera is a 320 320 ISO. So it's not as bright as I thought. So as my opinion, okay, as you, if you're new, like beginner on the YouTube, or you want to try a new lighting setup, you can always purchase this product for 100 euros. So it's not that bad, it's not that expensive for me. So you got 3 lighting kit, and then you want to have a more on this product, so you have to, like, you know, like I say, like I have to buy a new bulb just to increase this the way the lighting is. So that's what my opinion. So it's not that great, but it's not that like bad as well. So it's kind of like in the middle range product. So I'm not expecting like wow product that I bought like for 500 400 lighting kit. Of course not, because this is like a cheapest, like affordable version of Softbox, you know. But for me, I prefer Softbox, so I can control the lighting, everything in my room. So right now in my room is completely dark. So if I turn off everything, all the lights, it's completely dark. So this is like fully with the Softbox, so you can see like how bright and how contrast it is for my face and my body and everything. So yeah, so that's what my opinion is. It's from Andoer. It's not bad. So yeah, that's it basically. So I'm gonna show you guys for the next video, if you guys want me to do how I do my lighting setup and everything. So I will definitely do it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy my new lighting setup, and then I will see you guys on the next time.